Guys, let's do one more lap.
Hyundai's first performance electric vehicle has entered the conclusive testing phase in Germany, precisely at the renowned Nürburgring racetrack. This is where all of Hyundai's esteemed end products undergo rigorous evaluation before becoming available for purchase. It's worth noting that the Nordschleife, as it is known, holds a special significance for Hyundai, as their European technical center is also situated there. Hence, one could consider this track a second home for the automaker. During this critical phase, the EV is being thoroughly put through its paces, enduring a high-intensity evaluation that leaves no stone unturned. In order to mimic the performance of the N models equipped with traditional combustion engines, Hyundai's adept engineers have made certain adaptations. They have incorporated larger 400mm brake discs into the vehicle, along with a state-of-the-art feature called N-E-Shift. This technology emulates the functionality of the 8-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission found in its combustion engine counterparts. Furthermore, the Ioniq 5N boasts a sound system that truly elevates the driving experience. Inside the vehicle, there are 8 speakers strategically placed to envelop the passengers in an immersive audio environment. In addition, 2 external speakers are integrated into the N-Active Sound Plus setup. This setup offers 3 distinct sound themes: Ignition, Evolution, and Supersonic. The Ignition theme artfully replicates the distinctive sounds produced by a conventionally powered N car with a turbocharged 2.0-liter gasoline engine, including delightful pops and bangs. The Evolution theme draws inspiration from the captivating electronic sound showcased in the N2025 Vision Gran Turismo concept and RN22E. Lastly, the supersonic theme transforms the Ioniq 5N into an auditory spectacle reminiscent of a dynamic fighter jet. In a captivating video, we are granted a glimpse of the Ioniq 5N's remarkable performance as it reaches an impressive top speed of 155 miles per hour at a particular moment. Even after completing a demanding lap around the challenging Nürburgring circuit, the vehicle's battery temperature remains adequately regulated. The digital screen display reveals that it peaks at a reasonable 42 degrees Celsius, ensuring optimal operating conditions throughout the rigorous testing process.
Guys, let's do one more lap.